as like many men, I have nose hair. It's definitely one of the least attractive things to a woman when you're speaking to them and all they can focus on is the tendrils coming out of your nose. This is where this nose wax comes in. As you can see here, it's designed for nose hair removal in an easy and painless way, and I can speak from experience when I say that nose hair removal is one of the most painful things ever, usually, but that is not the case here. Here we have 2 pods of the wax, which when placed on the wax applicators is then put into the nose to then dry and then be removed. These are wooden spatulas for applying the wax also, potentially to these moustache stencils, of which there are 10 in the package, and of course it comes with instructions, so if like me you do not know what you are doing, you are all sorted for that as well. So as a demonstration, I will first apply some of the wax to one of the wax spatulas in order to show you the efficacy of said wax. If I can get this open. So, take one of these. The wax has been in the microwave and is melted. So if I just put a little on the end, that's quite a bit. I don't want to take too long so it doesn't dry out, but if I just place it on to my face here, then just hold that until it dries out. As it cools down, it will dry out progressively more and more. And there we have bits of hair easily removed and not as painful as you would expect. Simple as.